Are you looking for the best enclosed 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the best enclosed 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo 3D Printer. The ACE Pro comes standard with humidity presets for various types of filaments. Simply select your desired filaments and wait for the perfect result. Dual PIC heating module plus 360 degrees hot air circulation drying technology ensures even heating of the filaments, keeping them in optimal printing condition at all times to create the perfect model. The ACE Pro features 4 slots, effortlessly tackling basic 4-color printing. When 2 ACE Pros are combined, you can then unleash 8-color printing to bring you even more unimaginable possibilities. Each filament spool is stored separately in its own slot, greatly reducing the chances of tangling due to filament retraction. Additionally, it includes a built-in buffering mechanical system to quickly detect filament entanglement and blockages, automatically pausing printing and displaying a notification to ensure a safe printing process. Input the filament information before printing, and when one filament spool is completely depleted, it will continue to feed from the spool with the exact same material and color. The seamless integration of the ultra-stable Core XY construction, dual motor drive, and Kobra OS system greatly minimizes vibrations during printing, enhancing the responsiveness and precision of the extruder. This results in a smoother and more precise printing process. Number 2. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max 3D Printer. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max offers a spacious printing size of 298mm x 164mm x 300mm, allowing for the creation of full-size masks, intricate game terrains, detailed cosplay props, and various models without the hassle of cutting and assembling. Light Turbo 3.0 combines a COB light source and Fresnel lens, and factory calibrate technology can reach the light angle within 3 degrees, and light uniformity is more than 90%. With the anti-aliasing feature activated and paired with high-precision positioning lead screws, it effectively minimizes layer lines and aliasing to achieve a higher level of precision. The Photon Mono M7 reaches a maximum speed of 60mm per hour thanks to Intelligent Release 2.0, a 200% speed increase comparing to the previous M3 Max printer. In addition, the flip-open cover design supports one-hand opening and hovering angles anywhere greater than 45 degrees that can save time and space. Dynamic temperature control resin vat will adjust the temperature of the resin material to maintain the optimal print temperature at all times for print success. And resin autofill feature allows for automatic filling and one-key recycling of remaining resin. Release film uses integrated design for easier replacement. After printing is completed, the model can be suspended above the platform with a small angle, allowing the resin to flow back into the resin vat. And a bigger resin vat with 1,300 milliliters volume for large models. Number 3. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Experience hassle-free 3D printing with the Adventurer 5M series. Enjoy automatic bed leveling for flawless first layers, ensuring consistent adhesion and saving time with no manual adjustments required. Featuring a Core XY structure with 600mm per second travel speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, the AD5M maximizes efficiency, reduces production cycles, and ensures high precision, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. Quick 3-second nozzle changes, a high-flow 32mm superscript 3/s nozzle, and fast 35-second warm-up to 200 degrees Celsius deliver stable high-speed printing. Its dual-sided PEI platform and versatile options provide easy removal and adaptability for various creative projects. With dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 to 0.8 mm, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, the AD5M ensures top-tier print quality. Use the Flash Maker mobile app for real-time monitoring and intelligent operation, making your printing experience seamless. For optimal performance, regularly maintain your printer by cleaning the nozzle and platform. Number 4. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. A new ceramic heater encircling the hot end can melt various filaments instantly. The dual-gear direct drive extruder and titanium alloy heat break ensure 32mm superscript 3/s full blast feeding flow in up to 300 degrees Celsius. The freshly printed model is cooled rapidly by 2 fans, one on the printhead with directional air ducts, and another in the build chamber. The model hardens before any stringing and warping could happen. The 1 micrometer resolution LiDAR will scan the first layer on its own. It will pause printing and tell you immediately if something goes wrong. And K1 Max uses an AI camera to watch over spaghetti failure, foreign objects, debris, etc. It will alert you when an error occurs. It also supports real-time monitoring and creates time-lapse for sharing. A G sensor in the printhead measures and mitigates the resonance frequencies of high-speed printing. No more ghosting or ringing on the print. The accurate Z-axis positioning reduces Z-banding effectively. The aluminum alloy frame with unibody die-cast parts ensures steady printing at high speed, and the print quality is excellent the whole time. K1 Max is assembled and calibrated before shipment, and it offers a boot-up quick guide and allows self-test with one tap. So, users can print right out of the box. The strain sensors in the heat bed deliver hands-free leveling, while the AI LiDAR scans the bed tilt at million points for more precise leveling. Its heat bed heats to 60 degrees Celsius in just 90s. Also, a flexible build plate is adopted for quick print removal. K1 Max is assembled and calibrated before shipment and built in with a boot-up quick guide. You can start printing the moment your K1 Max arrives. 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters large printing size supports you to create any models you can imagine. Number 5. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. Q1 Pro 3D printer has independent dual Z-axis motors and lightweight Core XY system. Maximum speed is up to 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. This allows for greater precision and high-speed printing while still maintaining printing quality. Automated dual sensors allow for more precise auto-leveling and everything ready for you with smart sensors. As well as the intelligent Hall filament runout sensor and filament tangle detection, it can real-time monitor whether the filament is normal or not during the printing process, to ensure the successful printing, making your every printing easier and more efficient. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D printer can actively heat and regulate the chamber temperature. Fully enclosed, accurately controlled chamber temperature, up to 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, improves print quality and layer adhesion, especially for filaments prone to warping such as ABS, PA, and PC. From unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes, perfect for beginners, home use, and educational applications. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera with real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. Mobile app can be controlled remotely, with 32GB eMMC super large internal storage. Based on Kipper, powerful, completely open source, support custom optimization.